Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to choose the best home theater system for your needs and budgets. If you're someone who enjoys watching movies or TV shows at home, a home theater system can enhance your viewing experience by providing you with a surround sound and a cinematic feel. However, with so many options available in the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right ones that fits your needs and budget. So let's get started. Step 1. Determine your needs and budget. Before you start shopping for a home theater system, you need to determine your needs and budget. Consider the size of your room, the purpose of your system, and the amount of money you're willing to spend. A large room will require a more powerful system, whereas a smaller room may only need a basic setup. Similarly, if you're a hardcore movie buff, you might want to invest in a high-end system, whereas a casual viewer may not need anything too fancy. Step 2. Decide on the type of system. There are two main types of home theater systems. There are soundbars and AV receivers. A soundbar is a single unit that includes all the speakers in one bar, while an AV receiver requires separate speakers and a subwoofer. If you are short on space, a soundbar can be a great option. But if you are looking for a best sound quality, an AV receiver is the way to go. Step 3. Choose the right speakers. The speakers are the heart of your home theater system, so you want to choose the right ones that fit your needs and budget. The three main types of speakers are bookshelf, floor standing, and in-wall ceiling. Bookshelf speakers are compact and ideal for smaller rooms, whereas floor standing speakers are larger and provide more powerful sound. In-wall ceiling speakers are discreet and blend into the background, but they may require professional installation. Step 4. Consider the connectivity options. Your home theater system should be compatible with all your devices, so make sure to check the connectivity options before making a purchase. HDMI is the most common options for connecting devices, but you should also check for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB connections. Step 5. Look for additional features. Some home theater systems come with additional features such as built-in streaming services, voice control, smart home compatibility. If these features are important to you, make sure to look for them when choosing your system. Conclusion. In summary, choosing the best home theater system for your needs and budgets require careful consideration of your room size, purpose, and budget, as well as the type of system, speakers, connectivity options, and the additional features. By following these steps, you'll be able to find a system that provides you with an immersive and enjoyable viewing experiences at home. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.